So I invite you now to close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. And as you breathe out, let go of any thoughts, worries, any cares, any concerns that you may have brought with you into this room today. For the next few minutes, we will just breathe in and breathe out. Take a deep breath in. And as you release and breathe in again, feel your body giving up all tension, becoming more relaxed and calm and peaceful. And as you release, imagine you are walking through a forest. Walking toward the sound that you hear in the distance, the sound of waves. Imagine that you are walking to the ocean. As you get closer, you can smell the ocean spray. The air is moist and warm. You feel a pleasant, cool breeze blowing through the trees. You walk along a path, coming closer to the sea. As you come to the edge of the trees, you see the brilliant aqua color of the ocean up ahead. You step out of the forest and onto a long stretch of white sand. The sand is like soft powder. You take off your shoes if you're wearing them and begin walking through the hot, white sand toward the water. The beach is wide and long. You hear the waves crashing through the shore. You smell that clean, salt air. You gaze out at the water. It's a bright blue-green. You watch the waves washing up onto the sand and receding back toward the ocean, washing up and flowing back down. And each ebb and flow of the tide brings you deeper into a space of calm, into a space of relaxation. Imagine yourself walking toward the water, over the fine, hot sand. You feel the sun pouring its radiant down on your skin, and you feel the warmth. And as you get closer to the water, you feel the mist from the ocean on your skin. You walk closer to the waves and you feel a change in the sand. It's no longer that hard, warm powder. It begins to feel wetter and wetter. It begins to cling on your soles of your feet. It's wet. It's firm. A wave washes over the sand towards you and touches your toes just as it recedes away. As you step forward, more waves wash over your feet. You feel the cool water provide a relief from the heat. You step out further into the clear, clean water. You can see the white sand under the water. The water's a perfect, relaxing temperature, not too cold and not too warm. You can walk further out into the water if you wish, or swim if you want to. But in the next few minutes in the silence, just enjoy the sensation of pure relaxation as you connect with the water and the sky and the sun. Feel the oneness with it all. Feeling the breeze, the sun on your skin, the perfect temperature of the water. The sound of the waves ebb and flow. Feel all cares, all worries melt away. In this moment, you truly feel there's no separation between you and the universe, between you and God. When you are ready to return from your mini beach vacation, I invite you to do so slowly. Bring yourself back to the level of awareness in the room. The power of imagination is such that we can bring peace and harmony and vacations into our own place anytime we want. And for this we say, thank you, God.